morning, good afternoon and good evening. Hope you guys are doing well and safe with your families during these difficult times. Today we thought of going for a walk to our nearest park, that is called Windsor Gardens. It is actually 50 meters away from our home. From the Adelaide city it will be nearly 10 kilometers, I would say. If we talk about the weather today, it will be mostly cloudy and there's a chance of rain today, but it will be beautiful weather, I believe. So let's go outside and look around. Hi again, so we have just arrived at the Windsor Garden Park. So you can see beautiful lake behind me. Hope you can hear the beautiful sounds from the birds and also water flowing sound. It's quite fascinating, I would say. Hi guys, so we have done our walk now. It's nearly more than 1 hour. Hope you guys enjoy this journey. See you guys from another video.